Aksha from grade 6.
And I'm Shivang from 5th standard.
It's our privilege to be the MCs of today's program. I would like to welcome our respected chairman Chaitanya sir, Principal Joyita ma'am, coordinators, teachers and our dear parents.
Today is a very important day. We are attending a workshop as well as performing in front of parents what we have learnt in our dance and theatre classes. Isn't that wonderful? First, let us welcome our friends to perform keyboard and guitar. So put your hands together and welcome our instruments and musicians on stage.